At the time of recording, there are 25 AWS regions around the world that you can make use of. This number is not really worth remembering as it's always increasing. Inside those regions, there are logical availability zones. They're logical because they can be supported behind the scenes by more than one data center to make up that availability zone. Generally, there are at least 3 availability zones, but it can be up to 6 availability zones as there is in US East 1. You can deploy your AWS resources into availability zones, but you can't deploy compute into edge locations. Services like CloudFront, Global Accelerator, Route 53, AWS WAF and Shield make use of edge locations. CloudFront may deploy Lambda at edge into edge locations on your behalf. In the console, you might see that when you try to create a subnet in your VPC, there will be an option to put it into AZ, A, B, or C. This may not correspond with the same subnets that you would see in another account, as they may be rotated to allow AWS to spread the load from everyone wanting to deploy all of their resources into AZA, for example. There is exceptions. For example, when you want to use things like AWS CloudFront, this content delivery network is a global service in AWS, which is based out of US East 1. And your certificates must also go into US East 1 in the certificate manager to make this work.